You've optimized your workouts, you've cleaned up your diet, you've even mastered sleep tracking and recovery. But here's the question, what about your cells? Because if your cells aren't healthy, none of it really matters. Our bodies are made up of over 37 trillion cells. Each one is like a miniature engine, constantly working, communicating, repairing, and producing energy. So, this cellular activity is really what drives everything. Your immunity, your energy, your ability to focus, your sleep, and, well, even how fast you age. Here's the truth. All health is, at its core, cellular health. And when your cells are out of balance, whether it's from stress, a poor diet, EMF exposure, or toxins, your entire system just slows down. You might feel it as fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, or even chronic illness. But it all starts with cells struggling to do their job. That's where bioenergetics comes in. This emerging field looks at how energy flows through the body and how our cellular voltage, frequency, and communication affect our overall health. Think of your body like a battery. If your cells aren't holding a charge, nothing else works efficiently. Modern life is working against your cells, from constant EMF exposure, to high levels of stress, to nutrient-depleted food. We're in a constant battle to stay balanced. And, most people don't even realize their cells are depleted. Now yes, things like nutrition, exercise, and supplements are important, but they're only effective if your cells are primed to receive them. Enter bioenergetic technology. At PureWave Life, we believe that the future of wellness is energy first. That's why our wellness systems are designed to recharge your cells, restore balance, and bring coherence back to your body. The waves are gentle, the sessions feel like deep meditation. But the results? They go far deeper. Our users report more energy, clearer focus, deeper sleep, and a sense of calm they haven't felt in years. Not because they added more to their routines, but because they started at the foundation cellular health. So if you're serious about your wellness journey, start with your cells, because that's where true healing begins. PureWave Life. Recharge your cells, transform your life.